Hey guys, it's Typhoon98 back with another video. And today we're basically doing more of an unboxing video. Don't really know how this is actually going to turn out when I do upload this, but thought I'd give it a go. So basically we've got the Sony WH-1000XM6. Basically bought this today. Needed a new pair of headphones. Currently been using the Sony Pulse just for like everyday use. Not really ideal. Yeah, I thought if I'm gonna open these, they cost £350. Very expensive. Yeah. So I thought I may as well do a little bit of an unboxing video. Let's see if I've got this right. Here we go. It's hard to do while the camera is right in front of it. Well, on examination, I like the box. I had the 1000X M1, the original, which was pretty old school, and the box was quite nice. It seems to want to slide out very much, so I'm just gonna follow it. I do like it. Hang on, give myself a bit more height on this. I'm standing as well, so oh, this is fully locked in. Let's see if by opening this I can get the actual. But anyway, you get some of the usual stuff: noise cancelling headset, how to use it, how it works. This won't really be much of a review because I've already tested this out when I got it from Curry's. Yeah, why on earth would you ever do that? But, you know, some people are like that. Just a bit of a manual, don't need to see that. So we've got the cancelling stereo headset. This will probably give you the in-depth as well, I'm assuming. I'm not really going to bother much with this. I already tested them at the shop, so I kind of know how this works. Register the purchase online, which I've already done prior to uploading, in case you speak whatever other language. Well, pretty boring, but let's see if I can get rid of. Let me get rid of this little cable first. Oh, turns out you just literally just flick it off. But anyway, whew, I like the case. Immediately I like the case. Let me bring my mic a bit closer. I'm going to use the smartphone mic here. So you get the aux cable. I say aux cable, but like the audio jack cable, which I will need when I'm connected to my controller or when I'm on my PC. But these are midnight blue, and that's the color name. And in terms of look and feel, these already feel extremely premium, so you gotta really enjoy that feel. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, they're just headphones, aren't they? There's not really much to review. Got good amount of resistance. I mean, in terms of, you've got your little, I'm trying to zoom in here. Yeah, your power cable. This is where the audio jacks connects. You've got a USB-C connection as well. That's obviously, to be fair, my previous one was a mini USB-C. Sorry, mini USB. So I like the box. The box is a lot more high-end, and they really cheaped out with the USB-C cable. I don't know why. Why so small? I'll never know. But I'm thankful they give it all the same. Anything freebie is usually a good freebie. This all back in, stuff it in. That is what it is. Cool. Right, so let's give these a bit of a test. I mean, in terms of just putting them on as is, I can't hear anything. They're not even on yet, so, which is a bit freaky, because if I'm gonna go for my walks and whatnot, not hearing anything, that's crazy. I don't even know what the actual is going to be like. One sec. But in terms of design, they feel like black. So yeah, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Kept it close to black as possible. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure I'll test it out and I'll give my feedback at some point. But obviously, this is just more of an unboxing video. It's kind of what you get. I feel as though you get a lot less stuff than you used to, but I'm not mad with it. Not mad with it. But yeah, that's what you get for £350. Not a lot in terms of a box, but you get nice premium feel. Hang on, bring it over. I do like the case. The case feels pretty classic and quite nice on the feel. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you did like the video, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.